Hey guys, I'm going to show you how I load my dishwasher for the maximum capacity as well as maximum clean for my dishes, cups, and everything else like that, and utensils. First off, prepping. You want to make sure you scrape off all sauce and also any debris out of any dish, cup, lids, off of the thing so the dishwasher could clean it much more effectively. As you can see, it's still dirty. I just scraped most of it off into the sink. So you don't want that to get stuck into the dishwasher. That's first rule for all dishes, all cups, anything you're putting in the dishwasher. Next is the top rack. It's mainly for plastics and that can't handle any heat. So all my meal prep plastics I put up on top. Everything goes in an angle. So your cups has to go at an angle, like this, so that water goes in and comes back out. So there are special cup holder areas like that. You don't put it on the splines, you basically put on this cup holder area so that water will go right in and out, and it goes at an angle. Think of it as a V pattern. Center, I have all my small bowls, and they are, again, there's gapping between bowls so that water go in and out, and it's still at a V pattern where the main opening is focused towards the center, pointing down. So lids and stuff, I put my lids on the side so that it gets rinsed. Again, most of it's pretty clean, and that's where you actually maximize your space. Now that's the top row. Let's go on to the second rack, or the lower rack. I think that should be the top rack. Anywho, plates. I usually line up my plates all the same size or relatively the same size in one pattern, so that when after reloading or unloading, I basically just grab all of them at once and just pull them straight up, and it makes unloading much faster. You don't want to overload your lower rack because one, it's heavy. Two, it's not going to clean very well. And three, you want to put all your heavy stuff or big items in the back so it doesn't block this door for the detergent door. So that's the main thing. Put the heavy items in the back. Again, everything's pre-scrubbed. And I tried to basically put, the gapping, the same concept is the same, where you're having it all angled towards the center. So it opens towards the center of the dishwasher, and water comes in, comes back out, rinses it, and I have no problems with this. This is super clean. This is the maximum. I use a lot of big bowls and medium-sized pasta bowls, and this is great for it. Utensils, we'll move on to that one. But one more tip and trick is that make sure if you have bowls where you can actually fit another bowl on the edge, or basically put like a plate in the back because of that gapping, so you actually could fit it. Now let's go right into the utensils. Now here's the fun part. All knives point down, so you don't want to cut yourself. Always put the knives down. Spoon as well. You don't want spoons to be aligned together with a spoon, and it won't be cleaned very well. So I usually mix match by putting one spoon up, one spoon down, so that it rinses correctly. That's really about it. Now I'm going to fill up more of this, but I'm going to show you this part. Now forks and stuff too, you don't want them to go through these holes so that it doesn't stop either the tray from moving or get caught from anything, or even stop the spinner from moving, or the water dispenser thing. Chopsticks are unique too. They fall right through these holes and the tray, so that's not cool. So what I usually do is I make a little nest for them, either by forks or by spoons. Quick V pattern. And I basically put them alternating. So half of it points one way, half of it points the other way. And I basically put it right there nested so that water will rinse through it and it will clean. The detergent is actually strong enough to clean all the stuff and has no problems with it. Again, make sure nothing hits the side so it doesn't block your, closing the doors or anything. But that's it. That's fully loaded. And just make sure that's it. I think that's the maximum load. And then load your detergent, load your rinse aid, and you're good to go. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps. Bye-bye.